Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There is a valid question how homeopathy works, what it is, or what is the modus operandi of homeopathy. In order to explain, I would like to say that homeopathy is basically a method of treatment, medical treatment rather, which is equally applied in humans, birds and animals, equally effective. It is based on the principle that a medicine, if given in crude form to a healthy person or living body, it will create some symptoms which can be antidoted by giving the same medicine to the ailing person in diluted form, or you can say potency. So there are 2 or 3 foundations on which the citadel of homeopathy is based. The first one is single medicine. The second one is in potentized form, that is, you can say dilution, minimization or quantum of medicine, minimal quantity of medicine. Another thing is that it boosts of your immunity. It is based on the natural principle that when immunity is boosted up, there is a process of self-repairability in your body, which itself protects you from the maladies or affections and removes the pathogenicity caused by the foreign bodies or your own propensities found in your DNA, I mean in genetics. Homeopathy is the blessing of God. When we consider the side effects of chemicalized form of medical treatment, that is allopathy, we feel contented to have a recourse to homeopathy because most of the homeopathic medicines are side effectless, and individualization is the hallmark of homeopathy. But in order to make homeopathy science, we will have to compromise. Science demands evidence, and science says anybody who takes the same steps taken by you priorly will give the same result. For this, we will have to use homeopathic medicines in combination in post-Avogadro potencies, because according to MIT theory of Chokran, that is molecular imprinting theory of homeopathic remedies, the combinations of homeopathic medicines above post-Avogadro level, they may inside the body act as single molecules or many molecules, and similar is the case of single remedy. Basically, most of the remedies are comprising of many other constituents rather than similar or single. For example, Nux vomica, aconite, belladonna, calcarea carb, vapor salt, they are mixture of certain minerals. So your body even itself is not made of one thing. It is made of many things like fire, air, mud, etc. So how a person gets ill? A person gets ill when he is not normal, when he is unable to do his routine work, when he is not feeling any pain, when he is not feeling any trouble and any anxiety, any impediment or any hampering in his routine work, he is okay. But if he is feeling a pain, fever, or heaviness, then he is said to have been ill. What causes illness? It may be due to fatigue or entry of exotic materials like bacteria, germs, etc. Propensities received by you in genetics, that is diathesis, your miasms, your occupational environment, and any other inclinations received by you in your DNA, which is called miasms, etc. For example, if tuberculosis runs in your family, you are liable to fall a victim to it. But we can, this is our miracle in homeopathy, that we can cure a fetus in the womb of his mother by giving tuberculosis to save him from TB. If there is running a disease of cancerous type, we can give carcinosin to the fetus, to the baby, in order to prevent further attacks while he comes out in the world. Many examples are there. For example, a baby was brought to me who was not stopping to weep. I gave him a single dose of syphilinum and he stopped weeping and crying. So, if a person falls a victim to catarrh or cold, I gave him influenzium coupled with sabardella, and if 24 hours not passed, the catarrh, the cold gets arrested at once and the person feels easy. So credit goes to homeopathy. The modus operandi of homeopathy is that it acts in the deeper and micro level, subatomic level layers. It enters into the cells and eliminates the disturbance therefrom. So for example, you have eaten too much salt, there is disturbance in your body. In our potentized form, Natramur would eliminate the disturbance, it will make you come round easily. So this is the modus operandi of homeopathy.